Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you this simple, easy and delicious Thanksgiving side. This rice is to die for. This was served up with some stuffed chicken wings. The link will be in the description box. This is quick and easy guys, and absolutely amazing. Alright, so first we're going to add some oil and butter to a pan, and then we're going to add some onion, ginger, garlic. Allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to add our washed rice, and I'm using basmati here. Then I'm going in with my stock. Alright, you're going to adjust your seasoning here to your likeness and taste. I would have already washed my cranberries. Then I pour that after 5 minutes in my rice. Now if yours need a little bit more water, you can just add a tablespoon at a time. Allow this to steam. It will be nice and loose. Add your green onions, your carrots, corn, your choice. Right, I just kept it simple and it's absolutely delicious, and I do hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Again, the link for this chicken will be in the description box. Bye bye.